Hey bird lovers! Today, we're diving into a serious topic, the silent threats that can affect our beloved cockatiels. Let's uncover the common causes of cockatiel deaths and learn how to prevent them. Cockatiels are delightful companions, but they can be vulnerable to a variety of health issues. Understanding these risks can help you ensure a long and happy life for your feathered friend. Like all living creatures, cockatiels have a natural lifespan. While they can live for 15 to 20 years, their health can decline as they age. Watch for signs like decreased activity, changes in eating habits, or difficulty flying. If you notice these, consult an avian vet. A balanced diet is crucial for your cockatiel's health. Avoid foods high in sugar, fat, or salt. Stick to a diet primarily consisting of high-quality seed mixes, fresh fruits and vegetables, and pellets. Never feed them chocolate, avocado, or caffeine, as these can be toxic. Your home can pose unexpected dangers to your cockatiel. Keep them away from toxic plants like lilies and tulips. Ensure cleaning products are stored securely. Open windows can expose them to drafts and predators. Always supervise your bird when out of its cage. Cockatiels are susceptible to various illnesses, including cytosine beak and feather disease, PBFD, and fungal infections. Regular vet checkups can help detect these early. Watch for signs like lethargy, weight loss, or changes in their feathers. Accidents can happen, so it's important to bird-proof your home. Secure windows, keep small objects out of reach, and provide a safe play area. If your cockatiel is injured, seek immediate veterinary care. By taking preventive measures and being aware of potential risks, you can significantly improve your cockatiel's quality of life. Remember, early detection and treatment are key to a healthy and happy bird. Remember, a little knowledge can go a long way. By being informed and proactive, you can ensure a long and fulfilling life for your feathered friend. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more bird care tips.